Hey YouTube, heading to Marshall, Minnesota to do some grocery shopping and maybe some work. Hard to say, but just going to give you a little bit of a look at what it's like to drive in snow. But you know, it's not that big of a deal, I guess. I'm sure a lot of you have driven in snow, but I don't know why they closed school. We're hardly supposed to get very much today, I think it was kind of foolish, I think, for them to close school. But I guess safety first. So meeting somebody that actually has to work in this snow. Met a construction crew heading out to go work on looked like a hog barn. So people have to work. My wife is at work. She drove in early this morning. She carpooled. I'm using her car to get to town. We're gonna have lunch together. And anyway, just thought I'd show you a little bit of what mild winter driving's like. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.